Good morning, student. It's me, Dakshina, and today I am here with my next video, and the topic is your soul papers. So, we will start today this topic. There are many problems many face today at the level of individual, family, society, and the nature. Identify some of these problems humans suffer from. And the answer is today we are generally trying to achieve happiness and prosperity by maximizing accumulation and consumption of physical facilities. This effort is giving rise to many problems many face today at the level of individual, family, society, and the nature. These problems are at the level of individual. Rising problems of depression, anxiety, suicide, stress, insecurity, increasing health problems, lack of confidence and conviction, etc. At the level of family, breaking up of joint families, mistrust, and disharmony in relationships, divorce, generation gap, dowry death, neglect of older people, etc. At the level of society, growing incidences of terrorism, violence, communalism, racial and ethnic struggle, corruption, adulteration, sex crimes, exploitation, wars between nations, proliferations of lethal weapons, etc. At the level of nature, global warming, weather imbalances, depletion of mineral and energy resources, deforestation, soil degradation, etc. All the problems are a direct outcome of an incorrect understanding, our wrong notion about happiness and prosperity and their community. Next question is critically examine the prevailing notions of happiness and the society and their consequences. Or what is prosperity? Is it different from happiness? What are the basic human aspirations? Explain or what is outcome when try to identify relationship based on the exchange of physical facilities. Happiness may be defined as being in harmony, synergy, and the state, situation that I live in. A state or situation in which I live, if there is harmony in it, then I like to be in that state, situation. The state of liking is happiness, whereas prosperity is the feeling of having or making available more than required physical facilities. In the current scenario, we are generally trying to achieve happiness and prosperity by maximizing accumulation and consumption of physical facilities. This is an attempt to achieve happiness through pleasant sensory interactions. The physical facilities are not seen in terms of fulfilling bodily needs but as a means of maximizing happiness. This has resulted in wrong as an assessment of wants of physical facilities as being unlimited, but this pursuit is self defeating. Neither can we hope to achieve continuous happiness through sensory interactions, nor can we have prosperity as it amounts to trying to fulfill unlimited wants through limited resources. This effort is engendering problems at all levels. It is becoming anti ecological and anti people and threatening at the human survival itself. Some of the consequences of such as trends summarized below. At the level of the individual, rising problems of depression, psychological disorders, suicide, stress, insecurity, psychosomatic diseases, loneliness, etc. At the level of the family, breaking of joint families, mistrust, conflict between older and younger generations, insecurity in relationships, divorce, dowry, tortures, family feuds, wasteful expenditures in family functions, etc. At the level of the society, growing incidences of terrorism and Naxalism, rising communalism, spreading casteism, racial and ethnic struggle, wars between nations, attempts of genocide, fear of nuclear and genetic warfare, etc. At the level of nature, global warming, water, air, soil, noise, etc. Pollution, resource depletion of minerals and mineral oils, sizable deforestation, loss of fertility of soil. It therefore calls for an urgent need for human beings to correctly understand happiness and prosperity as well as the sustainable way to achieve these. Thank you.